Hey neighbor, Big Ben Thiessen here with RE/MAX Executives, and welcome to Point Douglas. That's right, we are back in my neighborhood for another amazing listing. We've got over 2,100 square feet here. It's zoned R2, single family currently. We're talking 6 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, crazy amount of updates. You are gonna absolutely love this property. We are on green space, backing onto a park right at the river at a very affordable price. Let's check it out. You are gonna love this backyard. It is private, it's got a nice high new fence, it's got a deck space, beautiful garden. On one side, we're looking at a green space. On the other side, you got fantastic neighbors. But the best part, right behind you, an amazing park. Let's check it out. I absolutely love Michelle Jean Park, and you will too. Right out your back door, you've got beautiful walking trails, you've got a community center with a splash pad, basketball court, and it's even got an ice rink in winter. So many great things going on here. You are gonna absolutely love it here. I do. We are just steps away from the river. Check this out. This is the old Winnipeg docks, right between the Redwood Bridge and the Disraeli Bridge. So you've got easy accessibility to get in and out of town. We've got active transport on Rover, so that is closed down to one street of traffic. So you've got biking, you've got the North Parkway bike trail that goes all the way to the Forks, all the way to the Exchange. So many great things going on in this neighborhood. You are gonna absolutely love it. Well, I guess that's gonna conclude our tour of 126 Selkirk and of Point Douglas. If you or anyone knows any questions about this property, or maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor.